Agricultural Spraying Simulation Training System, Revolutionizing Agricultural Drone Training. Part 1 UAV Plant Protection Operations, designed to meet the operational needs of agricultural crop protection. This system enhances the efficiency of agroforestry spraying tasks while aligning with national and industry safety and application standards. It features realistic scenarios such as orchards, wheat fields, and rice paddies, and replicates core workflows like A/B point operations and manual spraying. The goal is to improve operators' skills and ensure compliance with best practices in UAV-based plant protection. Part 2 Operation Preparation. The system includes a dedicated preparation module as part of the full plant protection workflow. During this stage, it supports typical UAV crop protection scenarios such as wheat, corn, rice, and orchard operations. When planning the operation area, the system calculates the area in real time, helping users optimize task planning. It also allows users to select pesticide plans based on specific crop disease and pest conditions. By combining the treatment area with the recommended pesticide application rate per acre, the system accurately calculates the required volume of spray solution, ensuring precise and efficient pesticide usage. In addition, the system supports the selection of personal protective equipment, PPE, including no fewer than 4 types such as protective suits, face shields, gloves, and waterproof boots to ensure the safety of the operators. Part 3 Manual Flight. In manual flight mode, the system offers both basic and enhanced operation modes. It supports features such as flight heading lock and one-click turnaround to help trainees develop manual flight skills. Clear step-by-step guidance assists users during training, while the crash reset function allows the drone to resume training instantly without starting over. Part 4 A/B Point Flight. In the A/B Point Flight module, the system allows users to set parameters such as drone flight speed, crop relative altitude, and row spacing. Users can define point A angle, point B, and point B angle, and the system will automatically generate an A/B flight path. Flight direction can be switched to meet different operational needs. Before each operation, the drone performs a self-check. Upon completion, a mission confirmation report is displayed to ensure task quality. Part 5 Key Feature. The system supports DJI-T60 series crop protection drones, and faithfully replicates the DJI Pilot 2 interface, delivering an authentic DJI agricultural operation experience. Part 6 Use Case. Validated by multiple crop protection institutions and industry professionals, the Agricultural Plant Protection Simulation Training System provides an effective solution for both training and practical application. It has significantly improved the professional skills of agricultural drone operators.